Let us reproduce defective motor harness defect symptoms with a sample product. 3. UVW lines are connected to stator via switch. 4 Hall sensor lines are connected to Hall sensor via switch. We will disconnect one line out of U, V, and W lines that go to stator to reproduce the defect symptoms. Out of U, V, and W, we will disconnect W line. When one line is disconnected, the gauge the AC 250 volt is continuously supplied to stator from PCB, but the stator does not rotate. Out of U, V, and W, even if one of 3 lines is disconnected, motor does not rotate. Then, let us reproduce defect symptoms when one line in harness that goes to Hall sensor from main PCB is disconnected. This Hall sensor has 4 lines. Let us disconnect one line to reproduce defect symptoms. First, we will cut the VCC line. When VCC voltage for Hall sensor is disconnected, as you can see, motor cannot run. This is the ampere meter. High current is flowing into the motor, but as Hall sensor cannot detect its rotation, motor cannot run. Next, we will cut the Hall sensor B line to reproduce defect symptom. The motor runs slightly while making a screeching sound. Again, current is applied to motor, but the stator cannot turn, and LE error occurs. Now, we will disconnect Hall sensor A line to reproduce defect symptoms. Current is flowing into motor, but the motor turns slightly counterclockwise. The current flows but motor does not run.